I'm so excited, I just can't hide it. Hey, hey, I got pattern, and I like it. It's like I haven't tried it yet, but I'm so excited. Pattern! Friends, I'm naturally Shauniece, your favorite curl friend and mom bestie, guiding you through your natural and healthy hair journey and your best mom life. Now on to why we're here today. We're here today because your girl, your favorite curl friend, you know I couldn't resist. I got the Pattern Beauty line. Okay, woo woo, I'm so excited by Pattern Beauty. You guys have no idea how excited I am about this. Of course, I wanted to share my first wash and go and first impressions with you all. You guys, curl friends are faithful. You guys wrote, text, you guys have been saying, when are you gonna have the tutorial? Listen, I just got these products 2 days ago, sis, okay? But now's the time. If you know who Tracee Ellis Ross is, you know that she is like everybody's ultimate curl bae, curl friend, curl inspiration, okay? If you're a Black woman, you want curls like Tracee Ellis Ross. And Tracee Ellis Ross has come out with a line of hair care products specifically formulated for coilies, kinky, and tight textured hair, okay? To help give us our best curls, as she states, in your bathroom, meaning you shouldn't have to leave your house to have good hair care products. You shouldn't have to leave your house to have your best curl. And I can appreciate that because I do my own hair as well as many of you do. The first product that I bought is the Pattern Hydration Shampoo. Here we go. Here's what it looks like. First of all, can we get into the overall packaging? All of the packaging, let me show you guys. All of the packaging is super sleek. It's super modern. It's all the finishes is a matte finish. It's just ultra chic. You get a little African vibe with it, right? A tribal vibe. It's natural. I love the yellow, white, and black. It's just beautiful. It really is. Like, if this is on the shelf, I'm buying it just because it's beautiful. So Tracee did a really nice job with the overall design and packaging of it. I know that this is a good shampoo because there's one key thing when you're reading a label, ingredients label for any natural hair care product. If it starts with the first ingredient being water, meaning moisture to your hair, that's how you know that this is gonna be a good shampoo. And indeed, in true Tracee Ellis Ross fashion, the first ingredient in this shampoo is aqua or water. There we go. Yep, this is actually, look at that. There we go. So you'll notice this is not a cream-based shampoo. It's a true traditional shampoo, minus the alcohol and silicones that dry out your hair. Kind of lather going here, and as you can see, there's a great lather. This is not a conditioning based shampoo at all. This is going to be a traditional shampoo. Okay, so I'm going to come in here. I'm just going to cleanse my scalp. So one thing I do notice off the jump, the slip on the shampoo is amazing. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to separate out. I'm having a lot of hair right now. My hair is super long, so we're going to separate this out. I'm just going to concentrate on the back of it. That was the shampoo. Let's see. So what I did was I separated out my hair because for the conditioner, I just like to condition in sections. Here's what my curls look like. No products on my hair, just the fresh wash. I can tell you that my hair is super hydrated. So the fact that Tracee's, well, not Tracee's, Pattern Beauty's on the front of the cover, it says hydration shampoo. And yes, my hair is definitely hydrated. I know it's hydrated because it's really, really, really soft. Again, sometimes when you shampoo your hair with different shampoos, after you're shampooing, you feel like your hair is clean, but it's not soft. What I feel here is an actual softness to it. And if you notice, when I was washing my hair, it's very, even though I'm getting a rich lather, there's still those conditioning oils in it, right? Jojoba, castor oil, melaleuca oil, tea tree oil, all those things. So what happens is it makes the shampoo and the slip really, really good. So the slip is so good that you can actually begin to detangle while you're washing your hair, which is something that I actually love to do. Next up, we have the conditioner. This is the conditioner that I bought. I bought the Pattern Intensive Conditioner for tight textures. Here we go. So first of all, can we get into the obvious? Your favorite girlfriend bought the largest size. I bought the big boy. Why? Because I am a deep conditioning fiend, okay? Fiend. Like, you can never have enough deep conditioner. Is it just me? You really can't. Things that stand out to me about this conditioner is that, again, it's infused and enriched with a blend of shea butter, hello moisture, avocado oil, hello moisture, and hello repair, okay? And then vitamin E. Again, it's a vitamin, hello repair, hello moisture. All right. It is thick. The smell is amazing. I smell like flower scents in there. I smell a little bit of lavender. It smells really, really clean, which I like. But yes, it is definitely butter, baby. All right, so we're just gonna apply some here. And then if you guys notice, what do I have? I actually bought the Pattern brush, okay? Just because, not that I needed it, but I felt like if I wanted to get the whole experience, I should buy it. Add the steam component, which is essentially water, right? So now water is getting directly into your hair shaft and your pores because your pores on your scalp and hair are open, thus allowing for the ingredients to really penetrate your hair shaft and your curls, for water to really get inside of your hair, which all of these things combined are going to provide an additional moisture to your hair, okay? Moisture, moisture, moisture. When our hair is moisturized, that's when we get our best curls. All right, I'm back. So Pattern gives us two products to really style with, okay? It has the leave-in conditioner. Again, look at the elegance of the package. It's modern, it's chic, it's matte, okay? And then they have two oils, right? So what I bought is the jojoba oil. Here we go. And then there's also an argan oil, okay? I bought the jojoba oil. So these would be our two products that we're going to use to style my hair. Because I literally just rinsed out my hair and my hair is wet and I wanna always apply products to when it's wet, we're gonna get into the details of these two products after I do the styling portion because I wanna make sure that I style on wet hair, all right? So we're gonna get in with the styling. First, I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner and then I'm gonna seal in the leave-in conditioner and the moisture with the oil, okay? Here we go. Okay, you may be wondering why I didn't coil the sides of my hair versus finger coiling the middle of my hair. So the reasons why I do that is because finger coiling well, first of all, the middle of my hair is not, the curl pattern is just different in the middle of my hair. It's a lot more coarse, especially right here. So what you'll see I'm doing is applying a ton of water, okay? No more products, but just a ton of water to help me get that slip and also curl, okay? And because the curl pattern isn't like, you know, coily like the sides of my hair or even the front or the back of my hair, because the middle of my hair is super dry, I just like to finger coil the middle to help out with the curl pattern. All right, so let's talk about the leave-in and the jojoba oil. These two things, wow, that was my first time trying it, and I'm liking what I tried. Like, would I buy the larger size of this? Absolutely. I would absolutely buy the larger side of the leave-in and absolutely buy the larger side of the jojoba oil. So let's get into the leave-in. This leave-in conditioner is to define and moisturize. It's great for when your curls need lasting hydration and definition. It's a velvety leave-in conditioner that seals your curls with replenishing moisture lotion to combat dryness and enhance curl pattern. And so what I did here was I cocktailed it. I didn't want to, and I was actually kind of scared, not scared, but concerned, because when I like to use a leave-in and then I apply a moisturizer and then I apply an oil, okay? Leave-in, moisturizer, oil. That's what I do to my hair. So the thought of only using a leave-in and an oil really concerned me because I like a moisturizer on my hair. But I stayed true to just using these two products. I didn't cocktail with anything else. What I did was I did cocktail and mix the leave-in and the oil, okay? Which is okay because I wanted to give you a true sense of what the products do and how they work together, which is why I didn't mix in any other types of products, only pattern product, okay? So the key ingredients to this leave-in, again, let's see what the number one ingredient is to check if it's legit and if it's gonna supply us that moisture, okay? So the first ingredient I see is aqua, which is water. All right, got it right. So some other ingredients here are biotin, you have jojoba oil, you have castor seed oil, you have avocado oil, olive oil, fruit oil, tea tree, coconut oil, sweet almond oil. The list goes on and on and on. And I must say that the smell is, again, it's just so light and refreshing. It's really nice, but it doesn't overpower you to where you walk places and people are like, oh, you just washed your hair, sis. It smells good. It's not gonna leave you that, but it is very cleansing. And it's very, very, very fresh and clean. I really like the scent. One thing I really love about the pattern travel sizes is that look how much I wasted here, okay? But the good news is that no product will be left behind. Look, that's a lot of extra product. And quite frankly, hair products are too expensive to be wasting. So if you open this up, you'll notice a large opening, okay? That opening serves two folds. You can take the larger size, let's see. Yeah, you could take this and now refill it here, okay? Or in my instance, when I accidentally did too much, I'm just gonna put it right back in. There we go. Now no product is left behind. Yeah. So the jojoba oil, yes, it indeed does moisturize your hair. I'm actually really surprised at, again, it's very light. I love that smell. It's very, very, you can't even see it. There you go. It's super light, you guys, but at the same time, it's also rich, okay? It's light and rich. A little bit's gonna go a long way with this hair oil as well. I just love it. It's light and rich. And what I did was I did per the instructions. I applied well, you guys saw, I applied the leave-in and then I applied the jojoba oil. Okay, so hopefully if you see my curls are looking shiny right now, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse it just a little bit and I'm gonna let it mostly air dry. I'm not gonna touch it. That's because you don't want your hair to get frizzy. I'm actually gonna wait to pick it out until my hair is completely dry, or maybe at least 90% dry. So it's gonna look flat for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and I'll show you what it looks like when it's completely dry. All right. dry and at its full curl potential, you can definitely get into these curls. Okay, Pattern Beauty. Okay, Pattern Beauty. You guys like when I sing? Look at that. I'm very, very happy. Get into that. Oh my gosh. Luscious curls. I'm loving it. I think Pattern Beauty is onto something. Very nice. Not gonna touch it. Let's look in the back. Very, very nice. And so the back, you could tell, is super wet. So we're just gonna let that dry, okay? I'm really liking it. For today, we went through the whole entire Pattern Beauty line. We started off with the shampoo, okay? The hydration shampoo. Then we did the intensive conditioner, and I used it as a deep treatment underneath the steam. Okay, and then we styled with the leave-in conditioner, and we sealed with the jojoba oil. For our styling tool, we used the Pattern shower brush. Okay, and that's what we did. We did a wash and go with finger coils. I hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, very informative. I hope that you got one thing out of it that you can now use in your routine to help you rock your pattern, as Pattern would say, right? So this is my hair journey. I hope you find a way that you can use these products and incorporate them into your own regimen, okay? And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have a lot of new cool things coming, whether that's hair, beauty, and then I'm also going to get into a little bit of more informational pieces, such as like how to wear your bras, skincare, and I'm going to bring in some experts onto Naturally Shauniece, because I'm not an expert in these things, but I know lots of experts who can provide valuable information back to you guys to help increase your life productivity, your career, and also so that you can have your best curls. Until next time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell button so you never miss an upload. And if you're not following me on my other social media platforms, it's Naturally Shauniece across the board. That's Pinterest. That's I have a Facebook page, but it's dead, y'all. And then also my Instagram. Okay. Well, it was lovely doing this with you. I'm very happy with Pattern Beauty. I can't wait to show you the final results. And with that, I'll see you guys later. Bye.